Good day, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I just gave this fabric cup a nice press, and you can see it came out really nice. So I'm going to show you how to iron your bustier or your bra cup. So this is how to do that. Once you place it on the bust arm, you make sure you have a bust arm, and you can see the way I'm pressing the iron against the cup in a circular motion, because the bust is round and you don't want your cup to come out flat. So once you place the iron on it, make sure you are using a steam iron, and you iron on a circular motion to bring out that circular shape of the bust, and you go ahead to use your hand to mold it down so that you have that perfect round cup that you are looking for. So watch me as I iron this cup, and make sure you do the same so as to achieve the same result. This method can also be applied on your bustier pattern. I also use my hand to mold the cup to get that perfect round shaped cup. Continue like so until you are done pressing it. This is what you should have, and this is our cup. So this is our cup when we place it inside the fabric, and you can see how beautiful it came out. We ironed the fabric the same way as well. I hope you have learned a few things in this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell so that you get notified immediately I post a new video. Have a nice day and bye.